All right, so we're gonna take this mirror off this 2017 Toyota Tundra. We're gonna swap it with one of those big tow mirrors that makes it look much better. So one of the first things you gotta do, you have to pull this top piece of the door trim off. So you kind of wrap your fingers up under it and pull out. And just pull until it pops right off. There's 3 little clips that you have to come out, and they all pop out of there. The next thing that you're going to do is pull up the interior part of this door, the door latch, and throw it on the ground just for fun. Inside here, if you can see, there's a Phillips head screw that you're going to pull out, and then there is another one back behind this panel here. So you take a screwdriver or a pry bar, pop that out ever so gently, not breaking your plastics without destroying everything. Just like that. So inside there, there's a little Phillips head screw. So we're going to take that off. And then in here, keep your screws separate. This one is much bigger than the other one is. This one goes down there. And then the next thing is there's this little push button retainer. So you push in on the button, it unlocks it, and then you can take a pry tool or a flathead screwdriver and gently work under it and pull it right out, just like that. So the next step for this, all throughout here, all the way around, there's more push clips like that were up here. So you go around and gently pull the door off. Once you do that, make sure you have all your clips off. Once you do that, the door slides up like that, and then gently let it hang, because all you need to be able to get at are these 3 10mm nuts on these pegs. So if you have an assistant, this makes it easier, because then your assistant goes on the other side of the door and holds that mirror so it doesn't fall out. If you're doing it by yourself, you back the screws off, back the nuts off as far as you can, and then slowly work it out while you hold it from the other side.
Now, a good trick would be to actually lower your window
That would help.
to allow access on both sides.
Is that gonna hang?
Yeah, it's gonna hang. Very gently.
Gently hang.
Yep, it's hung.
So with your window down, you can reach through and grab that, but make sure you get your bolts